So here we go. We finally have the metalwork finished on the HT mudguards for the Monaro. They're in a one-shot primer undercoat, and they've been edged with the colour so that they can be fitted up to the car and painted. This is the finished product. This is acrylic gold platinum, and the colour match is not perfect. We just used it straight off the mixer. The owner wasn't worried about that. He was going to be painting the whole car again eventually. So you can see on the inside how neat the finish is once the new metal's been put in. That's a silicon stone guard that's been sprayed on there, and just the black over the top. It all matches up nicely. We've done the stripes as well. Got the badges fitted, and across the front apron's done as well. Matches the guards nicely down the bottom. Indicators fit in nicely too. They've been tested and fitted up. So yeah, that gives you a look at the finished product. Very little filler has been used, and from the inside you can not tell that it's been done. There's no overlap or no MIG weld marks or anything. It just looks all original. Anyway, I was very happy with the result of that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Cheers.